Hi guys, welcome back to a new edition of the JJ Mika vlogs called JJ Mika Cooking. Do a little thingy there, JJ Mika Cooking. We are preparing the sides for the bulgogi, which is beef, potatoes, and bean sprouts. So come along with us on our journey to cook potatoes and bean sprouts. Shh. Okay, then you have to cut to like the woo 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 thingy.
I'm gonna cut to that.
Okay. So I'm gonna just go over the ingredients really quick. We're gonna need 1 pound of bean sprouts, 1 scallion, finely chopped, we'll see that in a minute, a teaspoon of garlic, some sesame seeds, some salt and pepper. And you'll see me put all that together right now. All right, let's start cutting this scallion, shall we? Okay, this is dangerous. Make this go by faster. Now that the scallion is done, we are going to move to the 1 teaspoon of garlic, okay? Here's our garlic. Now I think how you do garlic is it just a clove?
You mince it.
Okay, yeah, for sure. In the mincer, some would say. Okay, now we're gonna mince it. Looks like a teaspoon to me. So, what do we put it in? Okay, so now we prepare the bean sprouts. So, we're gonna put them in this strainer and we're gonna wash them just a little bit because no one likes pesticides in their bulgogi. You have to take off all these beads?
Yeah, I just see them.
As I see them?
Yeah.
I didn't sign up for all the bead partaking. I thought we were just gonna like wash them in. All right, guys, so now we're gonna prepare the water. So we're gonna have to boil 4 cups of water right in here, just like that. Now we get what I believe was a teaspoon of salt and pepper. We've got the salt. Now we're just gonna bam right in there like that. So, time to put the sprouts in the boiling water. All right, guys, so now that we have our sprouts in the boiling water, we are gonna blanch them for about 1 minute. Do a time lapse of 1 minute. Tries me cleaning this knife because we don't need it anymore. All right, now we gotta do this. I was told to do it rather quickly. And now we put cold water on them. Rather immediately. We'll just spread it all around them there. All right, guys, now we are just going to toss the sprouts in the bowl with our garlic in it. We need a bigger bowl, I think. Our bowl with the garlic in it, and then we're gonna put our green onions in. And then we are going to do a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Okay, bam, right in there like that. And then we're doing a teaspoon of sesame seed. What's that face for?
You're making a mess.
What? Bam, just like that, kids. Now, we're just gonna mix this up with our
hands.
Okay. We're just gonna get in there, you know, don't be shy, just mix it all up in there. Yeah, now we're gonna go on to the potatoes. All right, guys, now we're on to our next step, which is peeling the potatoes. You're gonna need 4 medium-sized potatoes, and we're just gonna peel them like this. Are we going?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna cut the potatoes into inch slices, like so.
Bigger inches, please. Yeah, like that.
All right, guys, so we just made our braising liquid, which is the sauce for the potatoes, and that has
3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of white wine, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, pinched black pepper, and 3/4 cup of water.
So now we are going to saute the potatoes in the oil take this spoon here. We're just gonna spread them out over the pan. Oh, and you saute it on medium-high heat. Now we are going to take our sauce and we're just gonna...
How did you miss the pan?
It came off the side of the bowl. Okay, and then we let that come to a boil.
It is
Which
boiling.
it looks like it's at. And then we're gonna cover it with this. And then reduce the heat. And then we're gonna let that happen for 5 to 6 minutes. So we'll see you at 2:14-ish. Alright guys, we just finished cutting 3 cucumbers. You don't really need to see that because it's boring. And then we're gonna take this off. And we're gonna turn the heat up so that the little saucies, goes away. We're gonna reduce it. Some reduction. Alright guys, our potatoes are done and now we're just gonna try one, I think. 10 out of 10. Alright guys, so we have finished the cucumbers. We got this recipe off the website linked below. It's a great recipe, although it does call for pickles. If you're gonna use cucumbers, just put salt in them, but here they are. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. And yeah, I guess you'll see the finished product when we do B-roll of the bulgogi later.
Yep.
Whoosh.
It's not important.
Doesn't matter. It's not important, doesn't matter. I'm struggling with one. Okay, I feel like Logan, you're not doing it. I don't feel like I'm doing it. Now you've just put a cooked piece back in the mix.